You are the gold medalist for the MA English program.
Yes, MEG program, I'm the gold medalist for English, yes.
Tell us, did you find much difference in the conventional system and in the distance education mode?
Yes, there was some difference because we didn't have classes, but I think the books more than made up for the fact that we did not have lessons because they were so excellently written and very well researched.
Oh, that's very nice. So you didn't feel the need to get the material interpreted by maybe your teachers or somebody at the counseling center?
Not really, because I've been in the teaching field for the past 18 years and English is my subject. So I didn't really feel the need for that. The books were very, very good. I have kept them as excellent material I can refer to later also.
Thank you. That's very heartening to hear. Thank you so much. Could we
International student Jubaida Hashmi. Asha Joshi, her masters in Hindi from Bhubaneswar. Shamimda Muhammad for masters in English, and she is an international student from Jeddah. Masters in English, Shamimda Muhammad.
I think our Arab centers are doing very well. Khushbu Kapoor in English from Jeddah. Pushpa Kumari, Master of Arts Hindi. English from Jeddah. She is an international student.
More effort, more activity, so that the world knows India, that most important democratic country.
Aarti Goel for the master.
I invite on stage the recipient of the medal for the Best Service Award for Overseas Partner Institution, and this goes to Educational Consulting and Guidance Services, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The coordinator, Mr. Riaz Mullah, is invited to receive the award on behalf of the institution.